Get ready for the experience of a lifetime. It's time to take control and rejuvenate your life. It's time to stand tall and let the greatness within you unleash. It's time to grow and become the finest version of yourself. Launching 2021, the year for brilliance. Our team of experts have generated a platform that will sweep you off your feet. We have teased you enough in 2020. Now it's time to experience a new charismatic approach on how to build your online business. ICX 101 has merged the world's most lucrative industries, allowing you to benefit from the Forex and cryptocurrency space, the travel industry, health and fitness, web development, fashion, gadgets, and overall global e-commerce platform with one of the world's finest and most competitive compensation plans. And we are not stopping there. We have countless more groundbreaking projects ready for our members to benefit from and change your lifestyle. ICX 101 will provide the tools, education, and training to unlock the potential inside every individual. The journey starts here. ICX 101. Implement the plan. Imagine the future. Inspire forever.